You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. Yes, there are two slightly different pronunciations, British English and American English. And they are quite similar, but a little bit different. You're going to hear the difference. So, the British English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the UK, is as warp, warp, warp. It's more of an O sound. It's not exactly an O sound, but it's a bit closer. Warp. Okay? Now, the American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US, is as warp, warp. Clearly, the R sound is more present in the American pronunciation. Warp. American English or warp. British English, could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.